Hey guys, I just want to take a quick moment to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I hope this day is full of good and happy times with you and your family and friends, and hopefully you'll be able to enjoy the day to its fullest and put school aside for a day. Um, Anyhow, this week we have our grandson with us, and he's 6, so he's he's quite a handful, but we enjoy having him up visit. So we're just going to have hopefully a quiet Thanksgiving dinner, but we'll see what he wants to do. So he's always a joy to have. Anyhow, as we near the end of week 5, I really want to reach out to everyone and say thank you for your hard work. Sometimes this class is not the easiest. There's a lot of writing associated with this class, and trying to really get a good understanding of how our judicial system operates sometimes isn't as easy as it might seem, especially when we come and talk to things about jurisdiction and venue and so forth. But again, thank you guys for all your hard work. I really appreciate it. This term is often challenging, not only because of Thanksgiving holiday, because now we um, are on the threshold of the upcoming Christmas holiday. So it really becomes sometimes sort of stressful because we still have a few things left to do over the next couple of weeks that we have. So I just want to encourage you guys to hang in there. Um, we are rapidly nearing the finish line, and we will get there. And hopefully, all of what we've been learning will begin to make some sense here in the next couple of weeks. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything we've done so far this term. Like I said, we're moving quickly towards the end of the term. I do ask that everyone, when time allows, to go to research all your graded assignments and make sure that you've received credit for your work. And if you have any questions regarding any of the grading, to let me know. Okay. That having been said, I don't want to take up too much of your time today. Have a great Thanksgiving, everyone, and I'll see you later in Bright Space. Thank you. Bye-bye.